Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to share a model or a design that you have made. Now sharing is very similar to Google Docs, where you can share whatever you made with someone else, either with their username or their email, so you can collaborate together. So it's the same thing here, where you could share your model to someone else and you can collaborate and edit along with each other, or they could export your model and kind of go off of it. It depends on what kind of access you give them, similar to Google Docs. So to share, all you have to do is click the big blue button on the top right that says share. And you'll see this little box that comes up where you can just simply put the person's name, their username, or their email and share your model with them. So you could either choose if they can edit or view, like we see with the Google applications as well. And you can click share to share it with them. You could also use a link to share it with them as well. So you could just link it to your email and send it to a bunch of people so they can collaborate on it as well. And then when someone shares something with you, if you go to the shared me section, it'll pop up right here that they shared a document with you to edit, to view, or to work together as a team on.